Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Please note that microwaving number 6 styrofoam is not recommended unless the container is marked as microwave safe. Microwaving styrofoam may not always be bad, but it can expose you to potential health concerns and issues. 3 September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unlike PET, styrofoam is particularly unsafe when heated or used with hot liquid. In contact with heat, it will start to melt or break down, causing the chemicals, dioxin, benzene and styrene, to seep into the liquid or foods. 14 December 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Check the bottom of the container for a symbol. Microwave safe is usually a microwave with some wavy lines on it. If the container has a number 5 on it, it is made from polypropylene, PP, so it is generally considered microwave safe. Smart Set Pro and ProView are perfect for microwave applications. 5 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.